In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make animated rainbow text effects in Elementor. We'll start inside your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the plugins section. Hover your mouse over it, then click on Add New. This will take you to the plugins page where you can install new tools to extend your site. At the top left of this page, you'll see a search bar. Click into the search bar and type Premium Add-ons. Then press enter on your keyboard. WordPress will search the plugin repository for you. In the results, look for the plugin called Premium Add-ons for Elementor. Click on it to open its information page. Here, you'll see an option to install the plugin. Click the Install and then Activate button. After a moment, once the plugin is installed and activated, you'll be taken back to your list of installed plugins, confirming that everything is ready. Next, we'll move to the page where you want the animated rainbow text effect. On the left sidebar again, find Pages and click it. This shows a list of all your pages. Locate the page where you want to add the effect, hover over its title, and you'll see several options appear under it. Click on Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor Page Builder. Inside Elementor, look to the left panel where all the widgets are listed. Use the search bar there and type Heading. You'll see several heading widgets appear. Find the one that has a small PA label on its top right corner, which indicates it's from Premium Add-ons. Drag this heading widget and drop it into the section of the page where you want your animated rainbow text to appear. As soon as you drop it, the widget settings will show up on the left panel. In the Content tab, type in the text you want to display and adjust basic options like alignment or HTML tag if needed. Then switch over to the Style tab. Under the title section, look for the animated gradient option and toggle it on. This is what will create that rainbow-like movement. You can now fine-tune the animation speed so it's as subtle or as energetic as you like. Below that, look for background type and click the small icon on its right. This opens up more styling options. Here you can choose your first and second colors for the gradient. Adjust the location sliders for both colors to control how they blend. Choose whether the gradient is linear or radial, and set the angle to control the direction of the effect. Take your time experimenting until you get a look that feels right. You can also configure any other styling options you need, such as font size, weight, letter spacing, and text shadow, to make sure your rainbow text fits your overall design. When you're happy with these settings, click the preview icon or let Elementor reload the preview and check how everything looks on the page. You should now see a smooth, animated rainbow-style text effect in place. If anything doesn't look quite right, go back to the left panel and tweak the colors, speed, or angle until you're satisfied. Once you're completely done, don't forget to save your changes. Go to the top right corner of Elementor and click Update if the page is already live, or Publish if this is a new page. After that, view your page on the front end to confirm that the animated rainbow text is displaying exactly as you want. And that's it. You've successfully created an animated rainbow text effect in Elementor using premium add-ons, and you can now reuse this technique on any heading across your site.